Hello, Namaste, Sat Shri Akal and Adab. Welcome to this session by Heal and Hardy. In today's session, we'll focus on building strength and flexibility by doing Suryanamaskar C. Now, here's something you must know. Each round of Suryanamaskar has 2 sets and each set has 12 poses in a sequence. So think of this as a circuit training where we're using our body weight, mind-body connection and breath work. So let's get out of our minds and into our bodies. Let's go. This session is divided into 3 parts. In the first part, we'll do a breathing exercise. In the second part, we'll do 2 rounds of Suryanamaskar C. And in the third part, we'll do a grounding exercise. Let's begin with our breathing exercise. You can sit however you are comfortable. Just make sure that your back is straight, your shoulders are rolled up, back and down. Your palms are facing upward and kept lightly on your thighs. Smile. Allow yourself to feel joy. Feel that warm and fuzzy feeling. Stay in it for a bit. Breathe in through your nose and breathe out through your mouth. We'll take 2 deep breaths in through the nose and 1 breath out through the mouth. For the deep breaths in through the nose, the first one will be a longer one and the second one will be short when we can't breathe in anymore. So it will sound like this. We'll take 5 such deep breaths. Close your eyes slowly. Let's begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now take 1 deep breath in through the nose and breathe out through the mouth. We'll take 5 such deep breaths. Let's begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Open your eyes slowly. Smile. Now we'll stand up for our Suryanamaskar C. Come to the edge of your mat. Keep your feet hip-width apart. Bring your palms together as if you're praying. Make sure that your elbows are not dropping down but are parallel to your shoulders. This is your prayer pose. Breathe in and raise your palms. Follow it with your gaze. There'll be a slight arch in your back. This is your raised prayer pose. Hold this for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now breathe out. Bring your hands down to your mat on either side of your feet. This is your standing forward bend. If you're not able to touch the mat, you can slightly bend your knees. Try to touch your forehead to your knee. Hold this for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now breathe in and take your right leg to the back. Make sure that you don't change the position of your hands. Over here, few points to remember. Keep your toes pointed. Make sure that you don't lose the 90-degree angle of your left leg. As you push downward with your right leg, you're going to feel a stretch in your groin area. This is your equestrian pose. Look diagonally upward as much as you can. Hold this for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now tuck your toes and bring your left leg to the back. This is your plank pose. Make sure that you don't make a mountain with your hips. What you need to see is that your shoulders should be in line with your hips and your heels. Hold this for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now breathe out. Drop your knees to the mat. Drop your chest and touch your chin to the mat. This is your 8-limb pose. Hold this for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now point your toes. Breathe in and scoop upward while pressing the mat with your hands. This is your cobra pose. Look up as much as you can. Engage your abs to protect your lower back. Hold this for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now tuck your toes, breathe out and push your hips up and backward. This is your mountain pose or your downward dog pose. Make sure that your tailbone or your lower back area is shooting to the ceiling or the sky. Try to look at your knees or your navel as much as you can. Hold this for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now breathe in and take your right leg forward without changing the position of your palms. Point your left toes as you drop your knee to the mat. We are back in our equestrian pose. Look diagonally up. Hold this for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Tuck your toes. Breathe out and come back to your standing forward bend. Hold this for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now breathe in and go to your raised prayer pose. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe out and come back to your prayer pose. Hold this for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's begin with our second set. Breathe in, take your hands up into your raised prayer pose. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe out, standing forward bend. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now as you breathe in, take your left leg to the back. Point your toes. Look diagonally up. Don't lose the 90-degree angle of your right leg. Push downward with your left leg. You're going to feel a stretch in your left groin area. Hold this for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Tuck your toes. Take your right leg back into your plank. Hold this for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe out, drop your knees. 8-limb pose. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe in and scoop up into your cobra pose. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Tuck your toes. Go into your mountain pose or your downward dog pose. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe in. Bring your left leg forward into your equestrian pose. Hold it for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Tuck your toes. Breathe out and come into your standing forward bend. Hold it for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe in. Raised prayer pose. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe out and come back to your prayer pose and smile. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We just completed the first round with 2 sets. Let's begin with our second round. Keep breathing. Breathe in and take your hands up into your raised prayer pose. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe out. Come into your standing forward bend. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe in. Equestrian pose. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go into your plank. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe out and drop down into your 8-limbed pose. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe in and scoop up into your cobra pose. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe out, tuck your toes, go into your mountain pose or your downward dog pose. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now breathe in, come into your equestrian pose. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe out, standing forward bend. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe in, raised prayer pose. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And come back into your prayer pose as you breathe out. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's finish this round with the second set. Breathe in, hands up into your raised prayer pose. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe out. Standing forward bend. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe in. Take your left leg back for the equestrian pose. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now take your right leg behind for your plank. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe out. Drop your knees, drop your chest. 8-limb pose. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Point your toes. Scoop up. Breathe in. Cobra pose. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Tuck your toes. Push your hip back and upward. Downward dog or your mountain pose. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring your left leg forward for your equestrian pose. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe out and come back into your standing forward bend. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe in. Raised prayer pose. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe out and back into your prayer pose. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And smile. Now that you've learned how to do the Suryanamaskar C, you can practice this on your own and keep adding more rounds as you progress. For the correct mindset for stretching, I've made a separate video where I've shared my PFE mindset method. So you can apply this to yourself, make it your own, and really think right to stretch right. I've linked the video down in the description box below. We'll end with a grounding exercise. Sit however you are comfortable. Take your palms together and start rubbing them. Feel the warmth being generated. Really tune into how that feels against the skin of your palms, your fingers. Smile as you do it. Feel the warmth in your heart. Close your eyes slowly. Now keep your palms on your face. Feel the warmth in the skin of your face. Imagine it going into your head, your neck, moving to your hands, all the way to your legs. Smile. Breathe in. Breathe out. Bring your hands back on your thighs. Open your eyes slowly and keep smiling. Never forget to smile. Now hug yourself. Close your eyes. Smile and repeat after me. I am confident. I am in charge. I am brave. I am beautiful. I am worthy. Open your eyes slowly and bring your hands back down to your thighs. Thank you for joining this session with me today. Like this video, comment below with what you'd like to see next, and subscribe to my channel for more such content. I'll see you in the next session. Bye for now.